welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show, guys. Got a little bit of news to share with you, a little bit of XRP news. There's a company called the CME Group. They're to launch a Solana and XRP options amid surging futures demand. Options is basically like a contract to buy an asset at a certain price, an option to, but you don't have to. It's a kind of a financial instrument, to make it simple. They have like stock options and stuff like that. Well, now they're gonna have Solana and XRP contracts, option contracts, which is a big deal. CME Group announced it would launch options tied to Solana and XRP futures by October 13, according to September 17 statement. According to the firm, the options product will be offered on standard and micro contracts for both tokens, which with expires available weekly throughout the year. The exchange said these contracts are designed to meet growing demands from institutions and professional traders looking for tools beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike its future products, which binds traders to buy or sell at a set price on a future date, the options product provides investors with the right but not the obligation to enter into those contracts. That flexibility allows market participants to hedge downside risk or leverage price movements more precisely. This is what the CME global head of product said. The launch of these option contracts builds on significant growth and increasing liquidity we have seen across our suite of Solana and XRP futures. See what's going on, man. It's like the whales are starting to come in, you know. That's why I'm sharing you this news with you so you know what's going on. Since debuting SOL futures, Solana futures in March, more than 540,000 contracts have changed hands, representing 22.3 billion in notional value. Trading momentum peaked in August when open interest reached 12,500 contracts valued at nearly 900 million. On the other hand, XRP futures, which launched in May, has also generated comparable activity. The exchange reports more than 370,000 contracts traded to date, worth 16.2 billion in aggregate average daily volumes have climbed to 6,600 contracts, with open interest recently touching 942 million. See what's going on? Considering this, the exchange argued that this liquidity proves there is sufficient demand to sustain a parallel options market. The exchange is coordinating with the major liquidity providers including Cumberland and Falcon X, I think that's a Ripple partner, to support the launch. Joshua Lim, global co-head of markets at Falcon X, said, "The rise of digital asset treasuries and other access vehicles for crypto has only accelerated the need for institutional hedging tools on Solana and XRP." So they're gonna pour more money into crypto, the way I see it. You know, it's just solidifying the whole structure. You know what I mean? It gives these institutions more control over the crypto, you know. Anyway, thought I'd share that with y'all. If you're looking for a place to buy your crypto and you want institutional grade custody, I recommend you have a look at Caleb and Brown. They'll give you your own personal broker. You get fixed fees. Their fees are very minimal, to be honest. You get Fireblocks institutional grade custody. That's like the best in the industry, and you're getting that. It's free to sign up. It ain't gonna cost you much money. You know, it isn't gonna cost you any money. You know. You can use my link in the description. You know. I use them myself, so I highly recommend them. You know, they'll look after you. They give you a very professional service. You know, you can email your broker, you can call your broker. They can do trades on your behalf. It's a very high level of service that are normally reserved for the ultra wealthy, but you're getting the option to use this service. You know, Oh, and they have an app as well, so you can install the app. You can deposit your crypto through the app. You know, it's rock solid, guys. This is one of the best exchanges in the world. You know, you can even set up an account under your LLC or your corporation. Yeah. Anyway, well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. Crypto Mastermind out.